say hi. Wave to the camera. Wave to the camera, Ifa. Tak nak. Turn lah, turn. See? Walking on the... Crazy lah you. Look at that. So just like humans, they prefer to sit under the shade, at shaded areas. Yeah, so they were all there, then they came here.
Which hair salon you go to?
Salon.
How do you differentiate me and you? So we are in the forest, we're in the jungle, and today we are going to meet a lot of animals. Okay, these are animals that is going to be preserved and conserved.
Oh ya Allah, ya Allah. Itu ni tak apalah.
Oh, 梅花鹿我没打。哦，冇啦。
这里啊。Jalan depan lah. So these are called the Asian giant tortoises, but yeah, all here are the tiny ones.
In front of us, there's a big python. Be careful. Let's approach it. Oh my god. See, animal you cannot see.
Temple run, eh? Is that a snake?
Is that a python?
It's snake, you see? Let's go. Okay, we're going to go for the boardwalk. Depan. Okay, jalan. Sing, say hi.
Hi.
So where are we? We are at the outpost.
The next exhibition is humans. If you can see, far there is a very unique species called different colors and they make different sounds. Some make more sound, some make less sound. You can
Then what are you guys?
you can identify.
Watch your step.
The world was made for us. This is not man-made. It will be eaten out by nature's work of art. I'm gonna see a tiger.
So we have reached our mosquitoes. Our first break. Sorry.
Camera.
This is the net to catch the tiger.
Wow. the net that we're gonna catch some tigers today. Hi guys, we just crossed the jungle.
Just cross the jungle.
We just finished. We are in the break zone in the jungle.
Kat jungle ada break zone. Belakang kita dah
So
ada.
far, macaque. I still haven't find the tiger slash pig slash tapir slash bear. That's all I wanna see.
How about you? What do you have to say?
Sini. And it's finally me and you and me and you and finally Steve. Steve.
Lagu salah dik, lagu salah.
Tak apa, lagi. Steve. Third wheel.
Steve. Sam in between them.
Friends.
No, I show you something. Okay, come.
Ni
Korang
kita punya picture. Jangan
lean in.
kita punya
Lean in.
picture.
Lean in. Yes. Lagi sekali nak tengok apa?
We have just made a discovery. Follow me. Look closely. Hey, zoom. Whoa, zoom. Look at this. Oh my god. We have found big fruit.
Small.
We found a trail leading to big.
Oh, masih ada. Allah, apa benda dokumentari ni?
Guys, guess what we found? Zoom to that. We must approach quietly.
Oh, dah ada anak.
It looks like durian. Mana ada? Tigers soaked. Oh, hi handsome.
Yang number white.
Kita nak penat. Tengok apa nak tak payah. Ada lagi. Wah, pantat besar.
I'm filming All your remarks are being noted.
Do you think the tiger can see the baby?
Di bawah. Mungkin babi dia nak balik lah. Kita nak untuk enclosure agar orang
Untuk pantat. But it's not moving, man. They're just swishing. He's sitting down. Kelakar, you bilang je. Oh, saling aja. Oh, tak kelakar lah.
Kata lah Jo.
Cuba lagi.
So as you can see, that is it.
Okay,
Kat sini.
what joke should I tell?
It's there. Dia tengah swinging. Tak, tadi ada dapat close up. hidupku, aku pasrah dengan hidupku. Asal cute sangat. Asal cute. Okay korang. So binatang yang kita nampak tadi, ini ialah gibbon, siamang. It's a siamang, yeah.
Let me tell a joke. Yeah, tell a joke.
So you can see they are siamangs.
Look at the largest gibbon. Bird eggs, oh my god.
Not sure, they're quite big.
But the brains.
So
Oh my
the
god, I have
sounds
a lot of
that you've been
lizard
hearing
at
from
home.
just now came from the siamang, specifically the Symphalangus syndactylus. They are the largest gibbons, and yep, they are well known for their agility thanks to their long and muscular arms and flexible wrists, so that really helped them. Oh, you're reading this? Yeah, bro. It's X-Mat. Extra. As you can see though, but it's swinging.
Can you ring the bell?
Tu bukan bell, dek. Tu hook. Tiba ring bell. This is how they look
I will
like.
give you a
Ni female ke male?
female.
Siapa itu? Tadi we asked how to differentiate the tigers. And then the orang cakap was like, tengok bawah dia je lah. Pantat. Dia buntut kalau ada bola.
Dua bola. Tengah apa dekat Shen corner?
I saw big bullies, lol. Lenga. Selangor. Maybe the belly same lah. Oh, we can play. Let's go. Walking nets. Let's go. And the balance not there. Lepaskan. Okay. Wah, alhamdulillah. Lepaskan. God. I should move forward. Right now we're monkeying around. God will protect me. Ifa's famous last words. Allah.